Hello YouTube family and friends, welcome to my channel. This is that time of the year, and no, it's not the holiday season. It is the time when we celebrate the birth of our risen resurrected Lord Jesus Christ. So welcome to my channel. This channel is all about home decor. It's just my attempt at making a house look a little more beautiful, a little more festive during this season. So there are a lot of DIYs, tons of DIYs that I have done this holiday season. So I hope you look at them, enjoy it, do subscribe to this channel. Please give your comments, whatever it is, in the comments box. And since this is the first time that I'm doing my YouTube channel, bhul chuk maaf, and do give me your suggestions and do give me your feedback in the comments box. I love you. Thank you.
This is a simple DIY. All you need is a cushion cover, fabric paint or any other paint that you have at home, and a stencil. I purchased these cushion covers from Pluchi. Hope I'm pronouncing their name right. They sell knitted cushion covers, stockings, etc. I will share their link with you. And no, this is not sponsored because I hardly have any subscribers yet. So please click on the link and like, share and subscribe. Paint that I have used is a chalk paint for all of my DIYs, but you can use any other fabric paint that you have. But the chalk paint that I have used, the details are provided below. Hold the stencil in place with a sticky tape while dabbing with a sponge. Please ensure that you dab the edges firmly to get a perfect outline. And voila, you have a cute throw for the season.